everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In this video, I'll show you how to send a video through Gmail using your mobile device. So let's get started. Open the Gmail app on your phone and tap the Compose button at the bottom right. So here enter the recipient's email. I'll go with this one and then add a subject and write your message if you like. Okay. Now tap the paperclip icon or attach icon in the top bar. So from the menu, select attach file or insert photo. Tap on videos at the top right corner and choose a video that you would like to send. For now, I'll just go with the top one. So you can choose your video from your gallery or file manager. If the video is large, it may upload through Google Drive automatically. Once attached, just tap send and you are done. To send large videos smoothly, upload them to Google Drive manually and just paste the link in your email. It's fast and super reliable. And yes, that's it. You now know how to send videos through Gmail on your mobile device. If this video helped, give it a like, subscribe for more easy tutorials, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.